Yes, good morning class 4. Welcome to the class, and today again we will do revision. And as you know that in the exam you will have MCQs. Okay, so today we will revise the MCQs, and this MCQ you will write in your copy, and the answers you will write in the chat box. Okay, means I will write the questions in the copy, you will copy down it, and then you will answer me which answer is correct. Okay, so write it in your copy, take out your copy and write it down. And from composite maths as well as from math magic, from both the books I will give you some MCQs. And secondly, I think the whole syllabus is completed for term 1. Nothing is left, isn't it? If anything is left in the syllabus, kindly let me know that this portion is left. Okay, from my point I think we have completed all the syllabus for maths for term 1. Okay, now take out your copy and write the question in the copy. The first question is, tick the correct option. You do today's class. Take the correct option. The faces of a brick is dash. Is it triangle, square, circle, or rectangle? The faces of a brick. The faces of a brick, is it square, circle, rectangle, or triangle? Answer it in the chat box. Answer it in the chat box. What will be the answer? Yes, it is rectangle. It is rectangle. So give a tick mark in option number D. See here, it is asking for the faces of a brick. That means the face, only the two-dimensional shape you have to mention. But if it is asked the drawing of a brick, at that time you will answer the three-dimensional shape. Okay, three-dimensional shape. Now write question number 2. It is related to question 1 only. The drawing of a brick is dash. Is it a cone or a cuboid or a cube or a sphere? Cone, cuboid, cube, sphere. It is a, yes, cuboid. It is cuboid. Write the answer, cuboid, or give a tick mark in cuboid. Now third question. The sum of the place values of two threes in is dash. Options are 300, 300, then 3 5 zeros and 3 4 zeros. 3 3 4 zeros. You have to tell which one is the correct answer. Which one is the correct answer? Option number A, B, C or D? Option number A, B, C or D? It is option number B. Option number B. So give a tick mark in option number B. Next one. 100 thousands is equals to dash lakh. 100,000 is equals to dash lakh. 100, 10 or D? None of these. 100,000 is equals to dash lakh. Is it 1 lakh, 100 lakh, 10 lakh or none of these? Which option? Which option? It is 1 lakh. You all are giving the correct answer. It is 1 lakh. So give a tick mark in option number A. 1 lakh. Option number A, 1 lakh. Now I think all have completed. I am rubbing the board. Number 5. Right, question number 5. Which number has a 4 in the 10,000s place? Which number has a 4 in the 10,000s place? And the options are 284, 713, 367, 849 and 475, 206. Which number has 4 in the 10,000s place? It is option number A. Option number A. When you will count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, that means 4 is in the 10,000s place. So it will be option number A. Whereas here it is in thousands place, here it is in tens place, and here it is in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs place. So this one is in lakhs place. Only the first option, that is in the 10,000s place. So answer is option number A. Answer is option number A. Yes, now write the second question. Sorry, now write the sixth question. Question number 6. The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high and our classroom is 3 meters high. Then guess how many rooms one on top of the other will be equal to the Qutub Minar. And the options are 30 rooms, 28 rooms, 26 rooms, or is it 24 rooms? Yes, which one? See, the Qutub Minar is 72 meters high and our classroom is 3 meters high. Height of Qutub Minar is given, height of our classroom is given. You have to find out that if you are keeping the rooms one on the top of other, then how many rooms will be equal to the height of Qutub Minar? How many rooms will be equal to the height of Qutub Minar? So for this you have to divide. What you will divide? You will divide the height of Qutub Minar and the height of the room. That means 72 divided by 3. So 72 divided by 3 is 24. So the answer is option number D, that is 24. So 24 rooms is equal to the rooms, not equal, it is equal to the height of the Qutub Minars. That means if we are keeping one room on the top of the other, then we have to keep 24 rooms so that it will be equal to the height of the Qutub Minar. Okay. See, this questions, it is given in the form of drawings and I have given in the form of statement. So you will be ready to do this type of questions also, because in exam it will come that the questions are given in the drawing form in your Math Magic book, or in the diagram form it is given in the Math Magic book, but in the exam it can come in a statement form. Clear? Now write the next one, number 7. Number 7. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees? How many toffees did I have? Twenty, 19, 16, none of these. Yes, which one? See, I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees I have? I have given 4 toffees to 4 friends. That means 4 fours are 16 toffees I have given, and after that still 3 toffees are left with me. So 16 plus 3, it is 19. So 19 toffees are with me. That is option number B. Option number B. So give a tick mark in option number B. Now write number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? Options are 152 and 241. Number B, 99 and 299. Number C, 401 and 91. And option number D, 321 and 192. Which one? Yes, quickly write the answer for this. Yes, it is option number D. Give a tick mark in option number D. That means if you add 321 and 192, it is more than 500. It is more than 500. Now a very easy question. How long will it take the minute hand to move from 3:40 to 4 o'clock? "15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or 30 minutes? From 3:40 to 4 o'clock, what is the time duration? From 3:40 to 4 o'clock, what is the time duration? Yes, you are giving the correct answer. It is 20 minutes. So the option B, 20 minutes. Now write the 10th one. The minute hand started from 2. How many minutes? How many minutes will it? How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? Options are 30 minutes, 40 minutes, is it 50 minutes, or is it 60 minutes? What is the time? When the minute hand from 2 again it will come to 2, is it will take 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, or 60 minutes? Yes, the answer is option number D. It will take 60 minutes to come back again. It will take 60 minutes to come back again. Okay. So I think all of you have written these 10 questions. So students, today up to this only. In the next class, again we will start the revision from this magic and composite, but it is in other form. Okay, so whatever we have done today, you once more practice at home, and that's all for today. So bye all of you for today, and you don't go, you join your next class. Bye all of you. Okay, bye all of you.